Good morning, everyone. So, did I finish soil? No, right? So, what did you do last week? Last week? What did you do last week? No class? What is it? So, in today's class, you will learn about soil. Yes. Soil is also called as skin of earth. What is skin? What is skin? Just like human body is covered with skin, whole planet earth is covered with soil. So it is called as skin of earth. So this is the vocabulary. Repeat with me. Weathering. Repeat with me. Weathering. Humus. Decay. Freeze. Horizons. Porous. Accumulates. Tilth. Silt. What is the first one? What is the first one? Second? Next? Fourth? Next? 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 And what is the last one? Cell. So let's see what is soil. Soil is the loose upper layer of the earth's surface where plants grow. The upper layer of the earth, it is covered with soil, and it is also home for many insects, worms, and other burrowing animals. Burrowing means the animals which make hole and stay inside. Such animals are called burrowing. And this soil, it is made of, it is mixed with water, air, different minerals such as rocks, clay, and silt, and also organic matter. To make 1 inch of soil, it takes 1,000 years just to form 1 inch. This is inch, right? How much is the inch? Inch. You know what is inch? No, inch is a measurement like kilometers, meters. Inch is just like that. Inch means this much. This is 1 inch. To form 1 inch of soil, it takes 1,000 years. So this soil, it is formed in two ways. The first way is tiny pieces of rock. These tiny pieces of rock, they turn into soil. And second one is humus. Humus is the organic matter. Organic is nothing but dead plants and animals. What is humus? What is organic matter? What is organic matter? Dead animals and plants is called as humus. So let's see the first one. Due to some physical and chemical process, the big rocks, they break down into smaller and more smaller, and finally they turn into soil. And this breaking down of rock is called weathering. Breaking down of rock is called weathering. What is weathering? What is weathering? Huge rocks breaking down into smaller particles is called weathering. And this breaking down is done by water, wind, and temperature changes. What is weathering? What is weathering? What is weathering? What is weathering? Breaking down of big rocks into smaller is called as weathering, and weathering is done by wind, water, and temperature changes. As I said, water is one of the reasons. Due to heavy flow of water, the rocks collide with each other. Collide means when they collide with each other, they break down into smaller particles. In the same way, when there is heavy blowing sand, the same happens. The rocks collide with each other and break down into smaller. And the next one is temperature change. Can you see the cracks here? Can you see the cracks? Can you see the cracks here? These cracks are filled with water. During rainfall or any other reasons, these cracks will be filled with water. And due to the temperature changes, the water freezes. What happens when the water freezes? When the water freezes, these cracks will expand. You know what is expand? So did you understand? Did you understand? Did you understand? Yes or no? Did you understand this? Do you have any questions? No? Have you ever seen this on the rocks? These are called lichens. These are called lichens. These lichens can break the rocks. These lichens, they give out some chemical substance which will break the rocks. What are this called? What is this called? What is this called? What is this called? Lichens. Repeat with me, lichens. And next is humus. Humus is nothing but dead animals and plants. It is called humus. And this humus, it is rich in nitrogen and phosphorus, which means it has more amount of nitrogen and phosphorus. And this is the composition of the soil. In soil, 5% is organic material and 45% is inorganic, and air is 25% and water is 25%. So what is the percentage of water? What is the percentage of water? So what is the percentage of water? What is the percentage of organic material? What is the percentage of inorganic? What is the percentage of inorganic? What is the percentage of inorganic? 45. And next is physical properties. So these physical properties, from these physical properties you can say how healthy the soil is, so from these physical properties you can say how healthy the soil is and also what type of soil it is. The first one is color. Have you seen different colors in soil? Have you seen different colors in soil? Yes. And next one is water holding capacity. Water holding capacity means how easily soil can absorb water. How easily soil can take water. What is this? So how easily soil can absorb the water is called water holding capacity. And next is texture. You can see different textures here. And tilth is fineness. Tilth means fineness or smoothness. How smooth the soil is. So based on these physical properties, you can say about the soil. So what are the 4 physical properties? What is the first one? Color. Second one? Third one? Texture. And what is the last one? Tilth. Tilth. And in soil there are many types. The first type is sandy soil. Sandy soil looks like this, and it is brown in color, and air and water flow easily. What type of soil it is? What type of soil it is? sandy soil. And next type of soil is clay soil. This is rich in humus. It means it has lot of humus, and from this soil air and water cannot flow easily. Did you understand about clay soil and sandy soil? And next type of soil is next type of soil is loamy soil. This is loamy soil. Loamy soil, it is a combination of clay and sandy mixture. And this soil, it allows air and water. Air and water can flow easily. And last type of soil is saline. This soil, it is white in color. It is white in color because of salt crystals. Silence. You want to go out? You want to go out? Silence. So this type of soil is called saline soil, and in this soil it has lot of salt. And this soil you cannot grow plants. Plants cannot grow in this type of soil. So how many types of soils are there? What is the first type? Sandy. Second one? Third one? Loamy. And the last one? Loamy is a combination of clay and sandy. So these are the types of soils. Just like earth has layers, even soil has horizons. Where is the duster? Where is the duster? Okay. Just like earth has layers, even soil has layers, and these layers are called horizons. Horizons, and there are 5 horizons. O horizon, A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, and R horizon. What is horizon? What is horizon? What is horizon? Layers in the soil. Layers in the soil is called horizon. How many horizons are there? How many? 5. What is the first one? Second? Third? Fourth? Last one? These are the horizons. Let's see one by one. The first one is O horizon. It is a topmost layer, and it is rich in humus. It has lot of humus. It is soft, porous. Porous means holes. What is porous? What is porous? What is porous? Porous means holes. So it is soft, porous, so that water can go inside easily. And what is this? What do you call this? What is this? Rats. R-A-T, rat. And what is this? Very good. Bugs. Bacteria. What is this? English. What do you call this? Huh? These are called worms. So all these living organisms you can see in O horizon. What is the next horizon? What is the next horizon? A horizon, it is also called as topsoil. A horizon, it is also called as topsoil. It is dark in color. And in this layer, the roots will grow. Can you see the roots here? Can you see the roots? So in this layer, roots will grow and seeds germinate. Germinate means seeds growing into plants is called as germination. And this layer, it is made of organic matter mixed with minerals. What is organic matter? Good. Organic matter is humus. And what is the next horizon? What is the next horizon? B. This B horizon, it is called as subsoil. This subsoil, it has lot of minerals. It has more minerals because it gets the minerals from A and O. All the minerals from O and E, they come down to B. Can you see the arrows? All the minerals will come down to B horizon. That is why it has more minerals. And it is made of iron, clay and organic matter. And it is not very dark. And what is the next horizon? C horizon is also called parent material layer. And this C horizon, it is mostly made of rocks. And this layer, it does not have many nutrients, and plant roots cannot grow in this layer. Roots cannot come till C horizon. So what is the C horizon also called as? What is C horizon also called as? What is C horizon also called as? What is the other name? Parent material layer. And what is the other name for horizon B? Subsoil. And what is the other name for horizon A? Yes. And the last horizon is R horizon. It is called as bedrock. Even in our horizon, there are large number of rocks. Even this layer, it has rocks, and those rocks are mostly made of granite, basalt, quartzite, limestone or sandstone. Repeat with me. Granite, basalt, quartzite, limestone or sandstone. So this is about the soil layers. Did you understand the soil layers? Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? No? No. I will start one more topic today. Should I start one more topic or should I ask questions? Should I teach this or should I ask questions? So do you have any questions in soil? No? So the next topic is surface and groundwater bodies. What is the percentage of water? What is the percentage of water? What is the percentage? Shall I stop here or shall I continue? Stop here. Are you sleepy? Sleeping? No? Did you have lunch? Did you have lunch? No? Answer yes or no. Okay, I will ask questions. That's better. I'm not in a mood to teach. So did you take the notes for soil? Did you take the notes? Shall I ask questions? No? Yes or no? Yes? Good. Who is number 9? Oh. Okay, stand up. Choose one color. Blue. Which blue? This one. Okay. Weathering is caused by silence, number 16, 1 6. What is the answer? Weathering is caused by ouch. What is the answer? Water. Temperature changes. Good, sit down. Number 31. Yeah, choose one color. is weathering? What is weathering? Number 10. Do you know the answer? Do you know the answer? What is weathering? Silence. What is weathering? Number 25. What is weathering? Yes. Breaking of rock into smaller pieces is called as weathering. Very good. Sit down. Number 21. Choose one color. Choose one color. This one. This black. It can take up to how many years to form 1 inch of soil? 1000. Very good. Sit down. You can clap. Okay. Number 28. Okay. Which color? Rocks break down when water freezes in the cracks. Is it true or false? Silence. True? Okay, sit down. Number 10. Who is number 10? Finish. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Hey, why did you sit? Stand. Did you answer? If you do not answer the questions, oh, if you listen, if you do not silence, if you do not answer the questions, please don't sit. You have to stand. Number 5. Blue. It can take up to how many years? 1000. Good, sit down. Number 20. Which color? Soil is also called as. Huh? I cannot hear loud. Earth surface, Wrong. Skin of earth. Very simple. Soil is also called as skin of the earth. Let's do this. I don't want to tell any numbers. Okay. Tell one number. Tell one number.
35.
Number 35. Who is number 35? Good. Choose one color. Choose one color. Purple. What can lichens do? What can lichens do? Break down the rocks. Good. Sit down. Okay, tell me one number. Tell one number. One, 4, 14. Who is number 14? Yeah, 1, 4, 14. Who is number 14? Oh, which color? Gray. What is humus? What is what is humus? Dead animals and plants. Good. Sit down. Tell me one number. Tell one number. Number 11. Stand up. Which color? Blue? Black? Black? Red. Shit. This one? Percentage of organic material in the soil. Huh? 5%. Good. Sit down. Okay, tell me one number. Number 1. Okay. Number 1, choose one color. Humus is rich in what is the answer? Huh? Okay. Nitrogen and phosphorus. Sit down. Okay, tell me one number. Okay, choose one number. Number 8. Who is number 8? Okay, choose one color, number 8. Oh, wait. Okay, choose one color. Oh. Choose one color. Green. Are you ready? No? Loamy soil is the mixture of sandy and good. Sit down. He told first. You have to be fast. Tell one number. Come on. What is that number? Who is that lucky fellow? Hey, he's over 11. Tell fast. 7. Who is number 7? Choose one color. Red. Saline soil is white in color because of. Because of. What is the reason? Salt. Very good. Sit down. It is because of salt. Tell one number. Choose one number. Who is number 15? Okay. Choose one color. This. This one. This. This one. Percentage of soil, water and 25. Very good. Sit down. Tell one number. Last one. Last one. Tell one number. Number 15. Number 12. Okay, choose one color. Number 12. Which horizon is called as bedrock? R. Very good. So, did you understand today's class? Did you understand today's class? Yes? Do you have any questions? No. I think I gave you homework, right? Silence. Silence. Last week, I gave you homework, right? To draw the layers of earth. No? Not last week. No. Okay. Next week, draw the diagram of layers of earth and soil horizons. Yeah, homework. What is the homework? Layers of earth and soil horizons. Okay? You have to draw silence. You have to draw the layers of earth and horizons. And when will you submit? Next week? Next week? Okay? Next, yeah, in paper. Next Wednesday, silence please. Next Wednesday, in my class, you have to submit this. Okay? Thank you.